Reinstall Bluetooth drivers on Windows 11. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create, Login, and Delete. Let's get started. So first, go to your device manager, and you can do that by going to the search bar here and typing device manager. So click on this. Go ahead and expand Bluetooth, and then right click on Bluetooth device. So go ahead and click on uninstall device, and it will ask you to confirm and click on OK, and then go ahead and restart your computer. So Windows will automatically try to reinstall Bluetooth driver and just go through the process. So if this doesn't work, what you can do is update your Windows, and you can do that by typing Windows at the search bar here. So just go to Windows Update Settings, and it will show you the updates that are available, and just click on Update and then restart your device. So if this still doesn't work, what you can do is expand Bluetooth and then uninstall the Bluetooth device, and then go to the official site to install the driver. So open any browser and just type intel.com, and it will take you to the official site here, and then click on search intel.com. So go ahead and type Bluetooth driver. So you can go ahead and click on the one that you want to install. So you can click on view details, and then just click on download depending on your Windows and the size. So once you've done that, click on the location that you want to download this driver. And once it's installed, just click on the file that has been installed and just follow the steps that it requires you to do to install this driver in your Windows. So this is how to reinstall Bluetooth drivers on Windows 11. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.